Hello my dear viewers, welcome to my channel DIY Craft Videos. First of all, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the daily latest updates. First of all, in this channel I will show you some beautiful craft ideas, paper craft, paper art and craft, paper folding origami craft ideas, jute craft ideas, bullet braid ideas, Easter craft ideas, and etc. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Today I will show you some pretty ideas about jute crafts. Here are some beautiful jute flowers, jute vase, and much more. So guys, stay with me and watch my full video to get the latest ideas about jute flowers, jute roses, jute vases, jute plants, jute baskets, and etc. So guys, if you like my video, then click on the like button and please tell me in comment if you like these ideas, these images. So guys, please watch my full video and stay with me. I hope you enjoying my video, and if you want to know more ideas about craft or any idea if you want to know, please comment me in comment box, then I will fulfill your request as soon as possible. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please support me and share my videos with your friends, with your relatives and other social websites like Facebook, Google+, Twitter. Thank you so much guys. Please keep supporting me and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.